Learn English Classroom presents Use Present Simple for daily routines, to show emotion, and give facts. Module 3, Lesson 17. Listen to these people use present simple to talk about a business project.
Good morning, everyone. Let's review our project schedule. Our current status shows that we start production next week. Testing starts in 2 weeks, right after the first phase of prototype production finishes.
The team lead says testing starts in 2 weeks. Notice that starts is action. When you start a car, the engine is running. What starts here in this conversation? Testing. Testing is a thing, a noun. I can replace testing with it. It starts. That helps us find verbs. The team lead then says, right after the first phase finishes. The first phase is also a thing, a noun. What does it do? It finishes, ends, stops. Using pronouns to find verbs helps us to break down complicated sentences.
I like this schedule. And when do we present our progress to the stakeholders?
We present our progress in 4 weeks. At the end of the production phase, our engine runs on water. We must prove it to the stakeholders. Any other questions about the schedule?
The team lead says, any other questions? The native speaker does not use a full sentence here because he knows it is understood. Are there any other questions is correct grammar, but many native speakers leave off beginner words, which is confusing for new learners. This dialogue includes the 3 examples of present simple grammar. First, a schedule routine of the development team. We present our progress. Second, the dialogue includes emotion. I like this schedule. And finally, it includes scientific fact. Our engine runs on water. Let's explore some other examples of present simple. Routines. He sleeps until noon every day. They brush their teeth every morning. He eats croissants on Sundays. You blank TV every evening. What do you do? Yes, you watch TV every evening. Emotions. I love horses. She likes cats. He blank golf. How does he feel? Yes, he loves golf. Facts. Ice melts above 0 Celsius. The earth circles the sun. Windmills produce electricity. Here's the grammar structure. I hope by now you know the pronouns I, you, we, they. These pronouns are plural. You can be more than one, you people watching this video. The action verb wear is the base verb with no S because in English plural pronouns go with singular verbs. The singular pronouns he, she, and it use a verb with an S on it. To make a sentence negative with simple present, we add do or does plus not. I do not, you do not, we do not, they do not. Since he, she, and it get an S on the verb, do changes to its plural form does. He does not, she doesn't, it doesn't. There's so much to learn in English. Here's some spelling rules. With O, like in do or go, the O adds an ES instead of an S. Go changes to goes. CH, bench, changes to benches. SH, dish, changes to dishes. An X in fox changes to foxes. And the Z in quiz changes to quizzes. Let's get back to simple present and questions. We use do or does plus the subject plus the verb to make a question. Let's start with do. Do you eat ice cream? Do they like bananas with ice cream? Now does. Does he eat meat? Does it play all day? As I said before, questions with do or does are always a yes or no question. Does he play all day? Yes, he does. But when you want more information, you can add a WH question word before do or does to get more specific information. The formula is WH question word plus do or does plus the subject plus the verb. When does he work? What do you eat for breakfast? We have worked with the be verbs am, is, and are many times before. I is special, so I gets the be verb am. The plural pronouns you, we, they use are, and the singular pronouns he, she, it use is. To make be verb sentences negative, we add not after the verb. I am not happy, you are not happy, we are not happy, they are not happy, he is not happy, she is not happy, it is not happy. To create questions with the be verb, you just switch the pronoun and the verb. I am happy becomes am I happy? You are happy becomes are you happy? And so on. Pause the video and answer these questions. When do you get up in the morning? Start the answer, I get up at. Number 2, do you have a big breakfast? Number 3, what do you do after breakfast? Pause the video and answer these questions. When do you go to work? How do you go there? Do you work from home? Finally, pause the video and answer these questions. When do you finish work? Number 2, what do you do after work? Number 3, what do you do in the evening? Number 4, do you watch TV, read, or go out? Write down the answers for the previous 3 slides. Keep the answers to those questions. Look below this video to find a simple present worksheet. You will be able to write a paragraph about yourself on that worksheet. Thank you for visiting the Learn English Classroom. Don't forget to go to the Community tab in YouTube and leave me a message to let me know what you need. And then like and subscribe to this video so that you don't miss the next lesson.